Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Yeah, hello.
Hey Kashif, how are you?
Hello.
Hello, hello. How are you all?
Doing good.
Good. Taufiq, good. We are good. How are you?
I'm also good, bro. It's so long,
Hey.
Kashif.
Yeah, so long. Hi, Rosa. Hi, Anand.
Hey, I think we are streaming together after quite some time, I guess. So, so what's up? Any trades today, guys?
Mm,
I I
Actually, I
took
have
a,
not taken any trade today.
I have
I'm
taken
watching.
Euro I have taken Euro USD surprisingly on my challenge phase. I took an SL. Uh, Yesterday I secured live payout. Probably like I won't be trading that account until I request for a payout. It's up like 3%. Can probably show you my Euro USD trade, what mistake I made actually.
Okay.
I'm just sharing my screen, just hold on. Yeah, can you guys see my screen?
Not yet, bro. Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay, just give me a minute. So what happened was I had marked the level like because Euro USD gave a big push and it has fallen yesterday completely, and there was already pullback. So I was like planning to take that trade yesterday itself. So morning I saw it already moved, hitting this order block. I thought it has moved and I placed my order here, but it again came down here and just took out my SL. Like it just took out my SL and it's again going back to the TP. It's halfway there right now. So I should have waited and probably taken somewhere entry around this area.
Okay.
And there was a trade in gold, so that was a pretty nice trade actually. So I had marked this level where it made an impulsive move on, I forgot which day, but I had marked this key area where it would come. So it actually came to that area because the resistance over here became the support, and I was expecting to, as soon as it mitigates, it will give me some 100 200 pips, but it drastically pushed close to how many, 50 to 85, almost 350 pips it moved, but I had closed my trade almost at 74 because I was expecting to reject here, but somehow it broke and went up. This was a very clean trade actually. It happened in the Tokyo today morning.
Okay. Who else is sharing screen now?
Any other trades? I just took a trade by mistake, so I just closed it with a loss as soon as I realized. So nothing interesting to mention here.
I
I'm
wanna
just
share my
waiting for
gold.
gold.
I wanna share my gold chart. Let me share my screen. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes.
Yeah, I personally only trade gold, and if I see gold, I cannot buy on this current level because we have the last. You can see here. This was the last supply, and this is working as a order block. So I might buy, but not at current price. If I see market somewhere around, if I show you 30 minute, I'll probably look for buys here if I got a chance. And the current market price is like bearish. If you see this, there is a complete ugliest move. So I'm just waiting for gold. It's give some sort of, like you can say, a bullish momentum to got into buys from this level. But as of now, on the current market price, I'm not going to buy. So this is just my analysis, and I am my concern just this on daily time frame. If you guys can see, this is working as a bearish order block, so that's why I'm not executing buys here. You guys can share your if you want. I'll talk about more once I see good price action over here.
We don't have any news, right? I think we have one at 7:30. I don't think that's going to impact much
Let me see.
in the next 2 hours.
Let me see.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Gold is basically consolidating. I would recommend if it breaks above 80 to look for buys, or else if it breaks below
Yeah, that's the concern
69,
even.
69 or 68 and retest 68 for look for sells. That's the current status of
We
gold.
don't have any news on today. I
Yeah.
see. There is no red news. So maybe we are going to consolidate whole day, even in NY session. But let's see how this will play out.
Yeah, but consolidation is actually like someone is like scalping 150 pips, 150 pips. It's like moving
Ye-
to support and
Yeah,
resistance.
I want to show something more. The whole, you can see,
You're not sharing your screen.
is it visible or not yet?
No,
Not yet.
Give me a minute. Is it now visible, boys?
no.
Not yet.
No, what's going on? Give me a minute.
You want me to share the
You
screen?
can share your on the daily time frame.
1 second. My charts are sometimes messy.
Kashif is silent. Kashif is cooking something. As I called him a very dangerous hacker of gold.
Yeah, I did executed some buys on gold this morning. Uh,
That's for sure.
Let me just. I was late, but that was a quick scalp. So if you look my screen like yesterday, I was interested in this area, so I had my plan
Kashif,
that
screen is not visible, bro.
No,
Okay, wait,
we can't
I'll
see
stop.
it.
Wait,
I
now
don't know what's going on here.
can you share now?
let me check. Is it visible now?
Not yet. I don't know. I am also not able to share the screen.
Should I try sharing mine?
Yeah, go ahead.
Mine is visible.
Yeah, Anand is
Yes.
your screen is visible.
Okay. Okay. So what time frame do you guys want me to go?
If you see the daily time frame, like as you talk about consolidation, we are literally 4 or 5 months. We are still in consolidation of 1,000 pips. Like if someone
Hmm.
is, and if someone is say that we are going to all time high, I cannot see. I'm not seeing anything like we are going to all time high. You can see the last swings.
This one? This
No,
candle?
no, no, that the bearish candle, the exclusive bearish candle left side.
Okay.
Before that, we have a doji candle. That low is working as a, you can say, a bearish order block.
Okay.
No, 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 no. Go
This
left side.
one?
That bearish exclusive candle
Okay.
with daily
The
time frame.
second one.
No, no, no. Left.
Wait, like I'm a little
Eh,
confused. Just mark
No,
me like
give me a minute. Give me a minute.
just tell me from like from
Okay,
right
okay,
side.
okay, okay. Give me a minute. I'm going to tell you the exact. Uh, 11 August, Monday.
11th August. Yeah, this one. Okay.
Yeah, the previous doji candle lows is working as a bearish order block, and if you see the last current three candle is not able to close above the high, so that's my concern.
Okay.
If we see break up previous lows and give a retest, then I'll see for some buys. And if you see the daily time frame, this the wholesome move, price action is consolidation. So we may go down again from this level. That's my view as of now on gold.
Okay. So whenever you trade, you look for on a bigger time frame.
Yeah, I mark out my level on bigger time frame always, and execute on a smaller time frame. Like I have a specific model on lower time frame to entry in any trade, like five
Okay.
minute and 1 minute.
Okay. I usually like look for like 1 hour and 15 minutes and probably
Yeah,
be at
for
1 minute.
1 day and 4 hour and 30 minute and last 3 or 1 minute, as we don't have anything. I cannot do on seconds, like
Okay.
that's going to so much house.
Got it.
Yeah, let's read out some chats.
Kasif, you want to share your trade?
Yeah, I want to share my screen.
Let me just stop mine. I'll be back right back. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
No problem, no problem.
Okay. Can you guys confirm if you can see my screen now?
Not yet.
Yeah, it's
Now?
visible now.
No, it's fine.
Okay. So basically, I was looking at the same zone as Anand, this 3350. And I was prepared, like, as you guys know, like, I trade liquidity and order blocks. So before Asian session, like, this is New York close right here. Right here, this is New York close. So after New York close, I had these two levels on my chart. One was right here, and we can see that the price section, it took out the liquidity right here of this internal structure,
Mhm.
and then it started to drop. And obviously, like, we know, like, when the price section takes out external or internal liquidity, it delivers to the opposing liquidity on the price section. And I was looking at this right here. So what happened, like, in the before Asian open, we just tapped into this, and this is something like, we had this resistance right here, and it acted as a support, or you can call it a breaker block. We tapped here, and when it started to move up, it was really early, like, it was, I think, like 5 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. in the morning. When I saw this move, I saw this happening, and then I was late into this 3364, but the volume was so high, and I was sure, like, this could be something from Trump. It could be Trump speech or Trump imposing tariffs. And I just quickly went to Forex Factory. Like, this is what I use for news. And I think this was the news in the morning. This one. So when I saw this news, I said, like, this momentum is coming from Trump imposing additional tariffs, and it might just extend all the way to the upside right here above this high. And impulsively got into a buy right here with the stop loss below this 5 minute candle. And it was a very quick scalp, like, just in a couple of
Like
minutes.
that was Asian trade, Kashif, right?
Yes, yes, that was Asian trade. Like, it
Good.
was 4 to 5 a.m. in the morning. So that was a quick scalp. And after that, like, in the London session, mid London session, when the price section, as you can see, like, just like this liquidity structure, we also had internal range right here. You see this one. So what happened in the London session? With the London open price section, it just liquidated these lows right here, and impulsively started to push back up. Right here, when we started to break above this range right here, I got into a buy. But when I saw, like, the price section is resisting right here, so I decided to cut my losses early. Like, my stop loss was right here, but I got out of the trade right here, like almost break even.
Hmm.
So as of now, like, I look at the price section as it's in a range, right? We have
Yes.
these highs 3379, or you can say like 3380, this whole level 3380, and below, like, you can say 3370 right here. So what I'm waiting for right now, like, I don't want to take a trade inside this whole zone. This is a no-go area for me right here, because a lot of manipulation is going to happen in this area. So today, like, I'm looking for a clean closure above for the price section to continue pushing up, or I'm looking for a closure below for the price to continue pushing down, right? So this is something I'm looking at. And the reason, like, I'm looking for a clean closure above is to, if a candle closes above 3380 and it gives me a pullback, let's say like 1 over 30-minute candle closes above, and then it makes a top bottom wick which retests this broken resistance. From here, like if I get my entry on the 1 minute time frame, I will be looking for buys to take out these Asian highs.
That's
Also,
possibly.
we can see some fake out as well, Kashif, as you said. If you see,
Yes.
we are in a consolidation, so we may see a fake out below these lows and above these highs as well. We can see fake outs because we are in consolidation.
Yes, that's the reason like why I want to see a high time frame candle closing above this structure, because if you will look at this range on the 30-minute time frame, you will see wicks. You're not going to see any candle closing outside this range. Even right here you see wick on the 30-minute. It just formed in retailers, wick right here, and you have wick right here. So if I want to look for a buy, I want to see a candle closing with a healthy body above this range. Only then I'll say like, okay, we are out of this range. Like it's very tempting. I know like it's a very choppy price section. It's very tempting. A lot of traders, when they see the range is breaking out without waiting for the candle to close, they just get into the trade and it just traps just like this. So in this type of price section, like I always wait for the candle to close outside. If it's not closing outside, like it's a stop loss saved, to be honest. Because let's say if I'm not patient enough for the candle to close, I might get into the trade when it was breaking this low, and I would be having the stop loss even right here. So
Kashif, if you
let's
see
see.
1 hour candle, only 1 hour time frame is looking good. All rest
Yes,
all
yes.
time frame are looking like we're going
Hmm.
to take out some more liquidities. Only 1 hour is looking good, so that's
On
why,
a
yeah,
Yeah, on a hindsight, like it looks bullish. On a
yeah. That
hindsight, like it looks bullish because of this last 1 hour candle closing impulsively bullish. And
and
if
we can
you look, yeah, and if you look at this pattern, like it's kind of like a, I don't know, it's looks like a morning star or something.
uh,
These three candles.
if you see 4 hour candle as well, the previous 4 hours looking so bullish because it's make a bigger wick and then close above the high. Like you see, this was the this was which take out the liquidity.
Yes,
Yeah, that's a bullish candles. If you see the previous one as well, I'll tell you the time, exact time. I get that form in NY Asian session. As a closure of NY session previous
previous NY session,
4 hour
I
time
think,
frame. 4 hour
yes,
time frame.
that was the closure.
That the yeah, that was looking so good.
Yeah, and yes, exactly. Like this candle is maintaining its body above the previous Asian highs.
But the concern is that like we know that we are going to up, but we cannot take trade cause where
Hmm,
we will put a stop loss. It's not going to be a good RR. Like
exactly,
we can say that we are going to go up, but if we enter at the current market price, we will not have a good stop loss, or you can say risk reward. So that's the concern I'm waiting for. As
exactly. Because let's say if the price section on the 30-minute closes above and it gives you a pullback right here and it start to take a rebounds retest from this broken resistance, then if we get into a trade, the stop loss will be like right below the support and targeting Asian highs. So it will be like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, good, healthy risk reward ratio. But right here, if you get into a buy right here,
that not
man, like the
makes sense.
stop loss is too big. It doesn't
Yeah,
make sense. And the candle is still running. You never know. Like it almost like you're playing a 50% probability.
and we know NY session for liquidity sweep. Like if you
Yep.
enter on the current market price, it will sweep you first and will give a real move, right?
Hmm. You see, like on the 1 minute time frame, look at the 1 minute structure.
Yeah.
It's look at like 3 minute time frame. Look at the structure. Like
Hmm.
this these lows with the New York Open. We just took out this low right here, and now it's trying to push up. Like the only level I'm waiting for it to break is 3380. If it closes above, healthy closure,
Hmm.
pullback, retest, and then continuation. Easy.
Yeah, but I will wait for the 1 hour time frame closure because it's going to be choppy for a smaller time frame. As I already told you, Kashif, that we have some pending liquidity as well
Yep.
in the consolidation.
1 hour would be more solid.
Yeah,
Solid.
if someone is entering on, you can say swing trade, they can enter, but the matter is the risk reward. The main
Risk
concern as of
reward.
now is.
Because if you enter now, the most reasonable stop loss you can have is below New York lows right here, and you can target like what? You can target what? You can target Asian highs.
Yeah,
But
that's the thing.
yeah, but still, if you get in right here, like the confirmation is not strong. Candle is still below this 3380.
Yeah, let's
And that
ask. Yeah, Rosa.
it's been no. I was saying I missed the trade because I was watching your screen, but it was an amazing buy on my pattern, on my strategy, with nearly 30 points.
From on gold.
Yeah, gold 1 minute. The moment I saw your chart on the 5 minute, I say I'm going in because that's the structure I was waiting for. So then I went to 1 minute. You know, I only take care of the
Yeah.
1 minute chart, and then it retested back exactly where you are, and the stop loss
Mm,
right on the lower low there,
but see, it's
Nice. That's a
and it
good.
was around 20-ish points, more than enough to me, and then I would have been out. So
Nice. It's like 25, 30 points.
Yeah.
yeah,
can you make it bigger, Kashif? Gold on 1 minute itself.
Something like this.
Yeah, yeah.
it is
I
very
think.
similar. If you
I
see
think.
the lower low where
Yeah.
you have your stop loss, these three candles, the bearish, and then that one that's bullish, and the next one which is bullish as well,
Mm-hmm.
is a
Mm-hmm.
three pattern candle, and then you
Yes.
wait for a comeback
Mm-hmm.
to the area,
Right
just
here.
sweeping out. Yeah, if you put this area to the left, it should be that minimum. That's the point. That's it. That's the one. That was my entry point, and then you go in with the flow, and that's it. Between
Nice.
anything over 15, 20 points, it's fine with me.
Hmm. And you also had like this liquidation as a confirmation because it already took out the liquidity. So
Previous lows.
yeah, that
Yeah,
was a very good trade. Quick
that's
scalp.
why. Yeah, I saw your 5 minute chart, and I thought, okay, I'm going in, but I missed it. I'll wait for another one.
She is the biggest sniper we have today on the.
No, like the amount of effort she puts on a counter, like she doesn't bother
Man,
where
like
the market goes.
if you want to make money, just give Rosa the screen on the 1 minute. She says, "I'm in, just trade. Do
Or
not do not
It's
ask why. Do not ask what key level. What's the reason? Just get in. Trust me, you will make money."
You owe me
Kas-
a few coffees, Kashif.
Kasif, did you notice something like we have marked charts exactly like
And she already took
we
the.
have like did you see my chart like for gold? We have copied each other sort of chart. It was like
Yeah,
support and the buy in the morning on Tokyo. It was like literally the same trade.
yeah.
I
Like,
think
but you were early. Like, I think you caught the bottom, right
no,
from the bottom.
yeah, that's because like I was like awake and I was expecting to come there actually, and
Yeah, yeah,
I've been waiting from morning actually, but it was still on the top. Then later it came down in the night. Like I thought it will just go up, looking at how the price action was in the yesterday evening, like almost when the New York opened. Then later when the New York was about to end, then it shifted. Then I was sure like it will come down. I actually took buy yesterday and made the profit on the live account. Then I was waiting for it to mitigate that OB because that's been left, and I was very sure that it has to come there. But I didn't expect to move that fast. Like I thought, okay, slowly it will move.
In
But
Asian session, exactly.
yeah, it just moved like 30, 15 minutes. It went up crazy.
yeah. Like it was really quick. Like I had this level marked on my chart. Like basically, uh, it's simple support,
Yes.
resistance becomes support, or in SMC, like we call it breaker blocks. But it's same, like resistance becomes support. Price it tapped into this, took out this liquidity, and that was so rapid,
Yeah.
and like I saw this going up. I saw this going up from here, and I was like, let's buy. Then I saw, like, man, like, it's 5 a.m. in the morning, like, why get into a trade? Like, just go sleep, relax. And then the next moment I saw this right here. I was like,
I,
yo,
Kashif, I wake up like this today, watching this shit happens in front of my eyes.
man, like, when I looked at back on the chart, like, like when you're sleeping, yeah, like, you just check the charts, what's happening. And when I saw this right here, 3365, I was like, man, that was 100 pips of a move. I could have been in this trade from here. And then out of FOMO, I got into a trade right here, 3365, the stop loss below this candle, and it just pushed up. But it all made sense because Trump imposed tariffs, additional tariffs, so it has to go up. Because if my thought process was, if the price section has taken out the liquidity below this low, it tapped into here, then it's going up to deliver to this external liquidity right here. So it was low risk, quick in and out. Because I think if you look at my challenge, like, I cleared this 100K phase two, so I only needed like 0.7%. Like, I needed $700 to pass the challenge.
Okay.
So I thought, like, if I risk like $300 on this, then a 1 to 2 would be good.
Okay. That,
Uh,
yeah. And Euro USD, someone was asking my analysis, so
Hmm.
I can probably share my screen. I think I
yep,
already shared, but I'll share again.
sure.
Okay. The whole point of Euro USD was it actually fell drastically yesterday. So I was looking to look for buys once the market slows down, and it started giving the pullback. And today I actually wanted to take entry when it mitigates this again, but I got FOMO basically. I thought it's moving from here. I took a buy here, like literally. I should have just waited few more like pips to make this move, and if it's a clean trade. What I'm trying target is basically there is a 1 hour OB probably targeting
Hmm.
there. I'll probably keep my TP like here just before the OB. Sometimes market just goes near it and returns, so I always make sure my TPs are like before OBs itself, before OBs and before liquidity sweeps, just to sometimes market tend to just go till there again, come back, retest, then go back.
Yeah.
So I don't take usually don't want to risk that, so I generally like do that. And this Fibonacci I just drew for something. I just have to delete it. So I'm just looking at EURUSD to go till here, um, like today or by tomorrow. But it's at a very important fib zone. I'm not sure what will happen.
Anand, do you see DXY? Do you take
Uh,
trade
uh,
with respect to DXY?
I don't trade DXY at all.
No,
So
no,
I
no.
usually
Do you see take the confluence of DXY in order to take trade in euro?
no,
Okay.
like I don't even look at this. I have seen a lot of people looking at it, but uh,
I actually tried looking at DXY for correlation, but most of the times, like, it doesn't correlate. Like, especially in Asian session,
okay.
you'll see DXY going down, Euro USD going down at the same time. So,
Guys, please do over Ethereum. I don't think anyone trades crypto here. I mean, Kasif, do you trade crypto?
yeah, I recently started to trade Bitcoin on this strategy on the one
You
minute
saw
time
the
frame.
Bitcoin dump yesterday around
It's
$5,000.
jumping from last 4 5 days like massively.
No, yesterday there was a big dump. Like, let me see.
Can you share
Yep.
open one day?
Look at the dump yesterday, like
Oh
for
my
the last
goodness.
2 days. This was the dump happened. It happened during the night of like our Indian timing, like basically
What do
close
you
to
guys
some.
see? What do you guys see? Is this the complete reversal or just a pullback?
I have to see more. I haven't looked at.
Rosa is saying what these people are talking about.
No, it's at
Just
a very
open the 1 minute
it's
time
a
frame.
weekly support zone. I think it will go back again. It's like looking at making higher high only. Like
Yeah,
we,
no, no, no. It's looking like higher low, and it will make another high. But Let's see.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
So
Okay.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, I'm not currently trading Bitcoin or looking. I just saw the price crash and there were news about it a lot around, so I was just checking the chart. What is this? XA USD doing? It's still consolidating in that level. Sorry
It's
about a
not
lot
too much
of.
volatile for I mean,
Yeah.
the cryptos. It's not a bit crazy just to trade
Oh,
this.
it's really crazy. You can either become like you can make a lot of money or you can lose everything. That kind of situation.
Yeah, it tends to take out liquidity so often.
Yeah,
All right.
and see, I have once had a experience where like some $300 had scaled up to $1,800. It was going good. I was expecting to go. It was when the Bitcoin was trading around 77, around something, and I've been like layering and breaking it, and I was very confident that it is gonna go up. Okay, so whenever the market closes and reopens, there is a liquidity sweep. Like, so it came all the way back to my entry. It's almost like 1,200 pips, whatever. It
Should
came all
happen.
the way back to my entry, wiped out my account, and it went in the next three candles. It went back to the same entry where it has dropped. It's that volatile.
After that, Anand left the country and start the new life.
After that, I stopped trading BTC like that.
Yeah, I hear you, Anand. You text me on Instagram that you take a big gap in trading.
Oh yeah, that is something like personal. Like I had some issues with something related to my family, so I took a break from trading for 6 months. Like
Okay.
my psychology was very bad. I was not concentrating on charts. I was taking very bad trades, impulsive trades, blowing a lot of accounts. I thought, okay, this is not right, and it's very important for someone to have a very think straight kind of attitude or mindset. So I didn't trade for a while, like almost 4 or 5 months. I didn't trade.
Anand, do you know that's a unique mindset? Majority people not able to take a break when they are in losing. They keep arrange money from the here and there. They took
This,
loan,
this I
borrow
developed that
money,
thing. This
and
I
they
developed
just put their money to get back the losses.
that.
Kashif, can you relate to this?
Yeah, so I had the same mindset before. Like, so before, I think when I started for the first few months, whenever I hit SL, I keep buying accounts and I try to win immediately. Like, so I just keep like busting more accounts like that. So when I started Profum, like probably like when I was just trading 100k, I was trading like 10k accounts. I used to buy like 2 hours, 3 hours. I used to buy a new one. I didn't even bother about the second day drawdown. Like first day itself, I will finish my 5%. So that
Okay.
kind of trading mentality I had, but it takes time, like to build that. And also, poker also helped me to build this stop loss, or else it would have been like difficult as well.
Anand, keep quiet. The Sitaraman is watching you.
Like imagine you breach your 100K account. Imagine you breach your 100K account and Funding Pips launches a 20% discount. Now where the fuck I get money from? I have to sell something. Like I'm not missing this 20% discount.
No, there were a couple of people yesterday. They just bought an account on Friday and like they are like so pissed. They just bought weekend and suddenly the discount 20%. Uh, like it was like I think I purchased.
Like 20% discount on Funding Pips. Like it's literally free.
It's a dream come true.
Yeah, it,
It's a dream of the people that they are praying that Khalid, please give us discount.
yeah, and I think like it's now extended. Like it was
Guys,
for
go and buy the funding tips account. Is the you will see very rare funding tips giving 20% discount, unlike other firms. So go and
no,
buy funding tips.
like honestly speaking, I have tried many firms. I have tried many firms, but with Funding Pips, like the plus point is the execution, it's the spreads on MT5. It's crazy.
Yeah,
Direct from liquidity, it doesn't feel like you are being
huge.
stimulated. Like it feels so real. Instant execution, lower spreads helps a lot. Like when you're starting your challenge or passing your challenges.
Yeah, yeah. 20% discount is the max so far in funding pips.
Unlike other firms, Anand, that they are selling their challenges with 50% all the 365 days. like very,
And
very
is there a
level.
maximum of accounts you can buy? Because I got an email saying,
So
I'm not
I
sure it
think
was
Yeah,
Funding
same.
Pips or Funding Ticks, like unlimited accounts you can buy.
max allocation you can buy up to max allocation, which is 300k.
300K,
Yeah,
yes.
I
On
know, but the account, the email said, I'm gonna unlimited purchases.
Yeah, yeah. So one of my person I know, he bought like five, six accounts, I guess, of 25k and 50k combined. So I don't think there is a limit. So
Is it funding ticks or funding pips? Anand.
funding tips, funding
Okay.
tips. I think he
Yeah,
bought
Funding
five.
Pips says, but then it's not unlimited, so it's like, okay,
Huh.
because I
So
thought I'm gonna buy a few.
it's actually a very good strategy as well to stack up accounts when there is discount and use it wisely when they are trading. And some I know a guy who trades put 0.01 lot just to keep the accounts active, and he trades only one account at a time to make sure the accounts are active and he is able to rotate those accounts. It's a
hmm,
it's a workaround.
One of the special comment we have from Rahul for Anand, especially Sita Raman be like how Anand Rajan speak about poker. Now he will be in jail. Oh my God, Anand, don't talk about this
Oh,
stuff.
that was like that was entire gaming industry got banned. Real money game like few days back actually.
Okay,
Hmm.
nice.
But yeah,
Yes. Well,
because
spreads
Let's
on gold.
gold is not at all making any good moves. It's just I don't like the price action at all or the movement.
I'm just waiting for gold to go down 30, 40 points, and then I'll be buying.
okay.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes. And
It's actually gonna go down now.
Faisal said, "Help me, Rosa. Where do you need help? What do you need help with? Because I have no money, no car,
Yeah.
no property, no. But I have two kids. I can give them to you. So that's all I can do for you."
What's your bias, guys? As of now, no bias. Thank you everyone for joining up. Yeah, I think it's Kashif comment Forex straight 24
yeah, yeah.
240.
And then someone's asking for your strategy.
Yeah.
Mm, who is question? What
Anand,
strategy?
Anand, can you explain your that 45-minute strategy? I saw a reel on Tradin
Okay.
Instagram.
It's like basically it's a pretty it happens almost 80% of the time. That's something I always trade. I think Rosa, I think explained last stream also. So I when is the session, I'll just remove these order blocks which are right now gonna I'm not able to zoom out. Okay, it's 1 minute, it's already zoomed out, sorry. So usually just before London, uh, just between Tokyo and London, we can see a dump, basically a sell dump, which I try to take. It comes around 80 to 100 pips generally. So if you guys look at it just below, like not here, I would have marked that level. This is completely different. Yeah, here. So can you guys see just before Tokyo and London Open, there is a big dump. So this you can just look at it like in the time frame, like go to multiple days points and figure out. I can't say everything right now, so it's my secret. So you guys figure out what order blocks where it has to mitigate to trigger this sell, and win rate is pretty nice actually. And if you are able to get up and capture that move, and SL is very less, like less than 2 3 pips mostly for gold. Pips in the sense points. I think a lot of confusion happens between people, pips and points. So for me, 10 point is 1 pip. That's how I like calculate. So noted. Thanks. What does happen? Still looking good by after 15 minutes. I think. Which strategy do you trade when trading FX pairs? Forex pairs mostly or like similar order blocks to order block and liquidity sweep. That's what I mostly trade, and sometimes price action when market is moving. Like mostly like Kasif itself, like whatever Kasif strategy he explained, mine is almost 80-90% similar.
Like I think you just mark the high time frame zones, and on the 1 minute you look for a shift in structure, and then you get.
I don't really wait for the shift. I'll tell you why. That's something which I don't do. I usually take a trade on order block mitigation or liquidity sweep. Okay. So whenever the liquidity sweep happens, there will be a huge wick, right? Like, so that's
Yeah.
how. Okay. As soon as I see the huge wick, I'll enter a trade, and my stop loss will be just below the wick. Okay. But
Oh,
here my stop loss is going to be just 2 pips or 3 pips. Even if it hits, I can take three trades like consecutively if it hits stop loss. But some people, what they do, they wait for the chalk and structure shift. So that
but
is almost
It's
5 pip.
but how do you get the confidence? Like for example, if you have a liquidation level and the price
Okay.
is sweeping it out and it's
Yes.
going up, you get into a buy and you
No.
place a stop loss below the wick.
Yes.
How sure you are like it's not gonna go like
So
make
even
a
if it,
steeper wick?
that's what, even if it hits SL, it's just going to be like, for an example, you are risking 2%. Okay. That is, the SL will be for that position, it will be 0.25 or 0.30%.
Oh, dynamic risk
Yeah,
management.
the stop loss will be very small. Usually, I keep 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip TP usually. But during this time, my stop loss will be like some 1.5 pip, 1 pip. So okay, and so assume you want to confirmation like structure shift, chalk, and everything. Your stop loss will go to 4 or 5. That will be like huge. So even if it hits SL, then again it's just one trade for the
Mhm.
day. But
And
this time,
and
if it hits SL, I can take three trades.
and when do you add position? Like let's say you got in the trade and it's working out in your favor. Like what would be the point like where would
On the high,
you would add positions?
so when the liquidity shift happens, so it will always leave an order block just to again tap and move up. So I will
Yeah,
increase the position there and move the previous entry to break even, and the new position just like I'll keep the SL below. Same risk. But
nice,
it
nice.
requires a lot of this I used to do before, but right now it requires a lot of where you have to sit and watch. Right now my strategy is like take an entry, 50 pip
Set and
stop loss.
forget.
Yeah, 50 pip stop loss, 100 pip TP, no touching the trade. Like only on live I might move the stop loss to break even if I'm 1:1.
Hmm. And
I
it's
just,
it's best. This
yeah.
is best to be honest because sometimes a price section is tapping an order block and you get into the 1 minute time frame and all of the noise it just makes you not to execute. But
So
eventually like it might drain you a bit and then it plays out. So
so
I totally agree. Like set and forget like is the best policy you can have.
like that will never work for Rosa.
No, I want to ask Kashif that he trade 1 minute. So if you are saying that you have a take profit of 100 pips, and after reaching 50 pips, if you are saying that 1 minute time frame is making some bearish movement, that the price is going back to your entry point, do you cut the trade or did you like just hold and set and
So
forget the trade?
uh, basically like I target average 1 to 2 risk to reward
Okay.
ratio, right? That is my average. If volume comes in and let's say there's some news, it might extend to 1 to 3, 1 to 4, but my average is 1 to 2. And when the price, let's say when the price goes to 1 to 1, let's say if I'm risking $100 and I'm getting $100 in return, and I see rejections on the 1 minute time frame, so at that point, like I'll secure half and I'll
Okay.
move my stop loss to break even. Because to be honest, like in trading, if a setup has to play out in your favor, it will never come back to your stop loss. If it's a right setup, if it's a plus setup, it should just go all the way to 1 to 2 at least in the strategy that I use. So if at 1 to 1 I see rejections, candles start to show me bearish momentum and start to fall back, that's the point. Like I tend to lock in.
Like basically your strategy is one way, like no drawdown trades.
Yeah,
Talking
like
about.
exactly. Even like when I get into a buy and the trade is not playing in my favor for the next 3 4 minutes, that's the point I cut my trade. Because you will see in your trading the trades that doesn't work out when you get into them, they are most likely to hit your stop loss.
Okay,
Like
and I think
personally, like from my experience,
So
like
another thing is like look for trades where you enter where it's not in the middle of the structure, where For an example, how Euro USD was, it tapped the lowest order block, so take the trade there. Then your SL will be like at the safest
Hmm.
place
Hmm.
possible.
Hmm.
So
Exactly.
like for that you might need to wait like couple of days or set alerts on your trading view and wait
Hmm.
for it. So that is also
Hmm.
possible.
Hmm.
And I think Kashif and Anand, you both trade reversals only. I see
Yeah.
Kashif so many times that give a good RR. As I talk about the no drawdown trade, you will see most of the time it will happen when you take reversals. If you see gold,
Uh,
I trade reversals during session change. For example, so right now New York gold is bearish. Okay, there is like 80 or 75% chance that Tokyo volume will go to buy. Like generally, and we might get some clean 100, 150 pip without any pullback sometimes. So that I sometimes trade.
so
Uh, I'm just answering a guy saying the dream chasers asking us um, in capital letter. Today we trade or not? Like, come on, guys, let's chit chat and let's gonna take trades. But then it says take any trade, like whatever, like just put a
No,
trade and give me
that
some
is
money back.
that is
So
the worst thing to do. Force yourself to take a trade is the something worst thing to do. Right now, the gold market is like not at all tradable. Like according to my strategy or anyone here, except Rosa, who will still trade 1 minute. For me, the market is like consolidating and not giving any entries. If I break my strategy to make a trade just to, uh, for the sake of taking a trade, I'll get stuck and lose money for sure.
not even for me, I can't touch gold now, so I have to wait. And I'll take trades whenever I see the opportunity to take them. But not every time we want to make trades or take trades. It's there's an opportunity there. We have to wait. It's our money on
Yeah,
stake.
it's not yeah, like we are here to make money, not lose money. I mean, we can lose on setups you like, but not lose on money which you are feeling bored and you would like to take a trade just for that.
Not randomly, yeah.
Yeah.
like
So, Gold Dreamer, you have to wait a little bit more and you'll see some trades for sure.
Uh,
calibrates loss.
Wow,
Let
H
me see.
trades, GBP USD analysis. We know how to read, we can't read. So, you need to write it just once and we see it. So, please don't spam the chat with the same comment over and over. Otherwise, it's very difficult for us to try to answer everyone's comments. So, GBP USD noted, and any of the other guys in the live stream will analyze GBP USD noted, but when they want to, when they want to.
It looks bearish for. Oh, it's 1 minute. Sorry. Let me just remove this.
Anand, there's a question from you. Apart from gold, what's the best pair to trade?
Euro USD. I would recommend Euro USD for all the beginners and experienced traders as well. Like but I rarely trade Euro USD, but sometimes like these days when if I look at a market has fallen and has to go up, I will trade Euro USD. Like GBP USD also has fallen similar. It has tapped OB and just moving up. I'm hoping it will go up, but there is some resistance right now. I don't know why what these blue lines are. I don't know when I drew it. Let me just check. I don't trade GBP USD at all. Let me just delete it. And GBP JPA also gives very good moves. Like I really like that pair personally. So during challenges, sometimes I go with GBP JPA as well. If gold is not giving me any entries, if I have like unless GBP JPA, I usually take trades. Anand, do you trade in 15 minute or a minute on entry time frame, and what higher time frame do you look for a narrative? I usually choose my bias like 4 hours, 1 hour, and probably look at trade entries like structures and everything at 15. Trade entries using session volume plus 1 minute. Like it's a bit complicated. It comes with time. Like it will be very difficult, or you guys might not understand my thought process. So sessions is very important for me. I don't trade if the market session is like I completely don't trade Sydney. I trade Tokyo and London. New York I used tend to avoid completely because of heavy news and stuff. And post New York I look for trades.
Yes, someone is saying, do you guys think crypto will have another pump before a big dump?
Uh,
I think
See,
Bitcoin is going to a little bit up from the
see,
current market price. Yeah,
crypto sentiment on Bitcoin is bullish. I'll be honest, but
yeah.
the news what has happened is a big whale has sold almost 4 million worth of Bitcoin on a single instance, which caused a dump. So, and that's the reason it happened. It's not like the market sentiment; it's just because of one big trader.
and to be
But
honest, like if you look on the daily time frame on Bitcoin, we are trading in we tapped into the order block on the daily one
Yes.
108,800, and from that order block it's pushing up, right? So if the daily candle closes bullish, 4 hour starts to maintain a bullish candle formation, then it will continue to push up.
And the daily week is looking good for buyers.
Yeah,
It's looking
it's
at
looking good.
demand. It's giving a demand.
Yes.
One day, one hour candle is also good if you have a close the previous 1 hour candle. If you see
Mm.
Anand or you can Kashif, who is sharing screen? Anand. Anand, can you open 1 hour time frame of Bitcoin? It's look really good to enter in.
oh,
Yeah.
it just
That's a
tapped it
solid.
and just trying to push it.
Actually, I shared this on yesterday about on my Telegram, and this was the level order block.
Yes.
As Kashif said, this is forming a demand and respecting the demand zone of 1 day time frame.
Yep. Like after when it tapped this level, it pushed up, it tried to come back down, respected the lows, and now it's breaking above the structure at
Yeah.
110,500.
Mhm.
This could be a good trade.
Hmm. Yeah, it can be a good trade. And SL just below.
The previous hour candle.
No, I'll just keep it here like 180, 276 regions
Yeah.
or
Okay, okay,
here.
so it's
Here
close.
would be the best SL one, but it will be like too big of an SL. I think it's close to. Uh, oh, it's a lot. Oh, 120 pips.
I think gold's going down in a few minutes. So, like right now, and then I expect to go down at least in 10 candles, let's say, no more than that.
10 1 minute candle, right?
Huh.
And where are you targeting? Like how much points are you targeting, Rosa? Four,
I'm
three.
not in, but at least, no, no. Stop loss would be around 10 points, then 15. Target another 15. 1 at least.
Okay.
So I'm just waiting confirmation of my setup.
All right.
So that's my view on gold right now, but in a short period of time, as always. So let's see how it goes.
Okay. Hmm,
I'm just waiting for the setup.
let's see. Like I don't think I will trade gold today at all. I mean,
Someone is
first of all,
saying this is.
I think my trade for today is done. I usually sticking to 2 trades a day now.
Yes.
So anything on the chat?
I'm long on the BTC targeting 113K. Okay. Ukasha Azhar.
Huh,
That's 1 30,000. Let me see.
yeah, it can
Mm,
go, but ideally I would recommend 112797 as a good TP instead of 113.
yeah.
How to
Someone is
identify?
saying I don't identify proper order block. Check out the Bitcoin 1 day time frame. And if it's
Like,
respect for her, it will be a valid.
Kashif, you prefer marking your order blocks by yourself, or like I like to mark my support myself, but order blocks I tend to rely on this indicator a lot.
Gold is
Uh,
down. Sorry.
I I draw it manually because like every order block, like it needs to be have a narrative.
Okay.
So I like
Oh, Rosa, are you in a trade? I think your
No,
TP would.
the TP was already hit, but no, this, I mean, the setup gave me the TP, so I don't have room to enter.
Oh, okay.
But as I say, gold did what I was expecting to, but I didn't have the chance to go in.
Okay.
But
Fine.
that
Yeah.
drop was 15 points already, so
You
20
were
points.
30 sets. I think you were looking at 76. Yeah, 20 points right now.
Hmm.
I think for me, like it's a no trade day.
So which indicator I use something called MTF SND. So this is the indicator I tried. I kind of liked it, so I started using it, and it's one of the main indicator I use. Only two indicators I use, as you can see, session and I think session. I don't need the indicator anymore. I'm quite like my brain is like I know what the time where the session is by now. Been trading for a while. So this indicator I use like almost every day. Okay, gold is falling.
Yes.
40 pips, 30 pips it fell. 35.
Let me see.
Yeah, like it felt like 50 pips.
Yeah, yeah. From the 79 it fell, but when Rosa entry was around 76, she was looking at it.
Yeah, nice.
I told you that was a the setup was very clear, but a very big setup that gave me the TP, so I couldn't go in, but it was there. So now it's nearly it's approaching the area I commented. I said like 30
Hmm.
minutes ago, saying I need gold just going down around 30, 40 pips, and then I'll start looking for buys. So it's in this area. It's just hitting this area. So again, looking for another setup, candle setup to go long this time. So shorts closed, now long.
Rosa, from current market price, you're talking about for long.
Sorry, say again.
Are you talking about current market price for buyers in gold?
Yeah.
Okay. It's
Between now and maybe 10 points lower.
okay. Let me see.
But then I have to wait for the setup. So it's not only I count candles, okay? It's part of the strategy, candle counting, because gold is very repeatable. It does the same over and over, and when you see a pattern, um, it will repeat exactly the same pattern in the next 30 to 45 minutes. So I just saw a pattern and it has to
Oh,
reproduce it.
it's following massively. 3372 now. It's
Just wait. Now entry. There's
for long.
no setup confirmation for me either, so I have to wait.
I think on the 4 hour it's just going down to fill the wick, maybe.
Mm.
Anand, can you switch to the 4 hour?
Yeah.
Zoom in.
All these diagrams, like, yeah.
I think it's already sweep the previous 4 hour lows.
This is
It's
very
May.
weird.
Yeah.
Weird price action today. Very weird.
Oh, it's following again the 1 minute 10 pips. Yeah. 3371 now. Mm. That's the thing we are talking about earlier, me and Kashif, that it may go down again from the current consolidation level.
Oh, it has respected this area a lot.
Yeah, you never know. Like as long as it's in between
70.
3380 to 3370.
See, I
And
would honestly only look for sells if it breaks here and retest, and buys only if it breaks here and retest. Like other than
yeah,
that, this price is like not at all a good place to enter because it can go either ways and take out your just SL and come back to your profit again. So if that's how you
this is the best price action to lose money if you are not patient enough.
I was seeing what Kashif is saying, that the best I think he's talking about the best price action. Okay, nice, Kashif. Okay, and then the Tokyo session. Good for scale.
So we move that much on daily, and how many setups we expect on weekly basis. So my current mindset has completely changed. I don't scalp. First of all, I just take 1 2 trades a day maximum. If one trade is TP, probably I will not trade the second also, because 100 pips is more than enough. The lot size I take generally, it solves the purpose. Like for example, 1 pip is also giving $1,000, which is very good. So yeah, so I don't scalp anymore. I just take a clean trade. If it hits TP, I'm done for the day. If I have challenges, I trade that separately. So live is completely 1% risk. Challenges around 2% risk, and scalping will give me a lot of screen time and more anxiety.
Nice, nice.
But for Rosa, it's exact opposite. For her, like taking a
It
trade and
is.
forgetting gives more anxiety than looking at the screen.
She indirectly give two trades on the stream today. If you guys
No, that's
noticed.
actually like it clearly indicates there are a lot of other different traders who built a system around their life, like what they do, how they can cope up. And
Yeah.
Hmm.
yeah, that's a good thing, like to have different set of traders here. So you guys can pick up whatever is best for your lifestyle. Some might be working, some might be doing business, some might be like trading full time. So whichever works for you guys. Market is always there. Figure out an edge. Practice it every day. At some point you will feel that moment, oh, I have identified something, and stick to it.
If you guys see the gold, I think
Oh,
it will test 3376, and then it will fall again. If you see 30 minute and 1 minute, if you correlate
the
both the time
the
zone.
the ultimate satisfaction on Rosa's face. Gold going up from the points you mentioned.
And the
Another
third
20,
trade,
30
third trade.
points.
Kasif,
Don't
go Rosa.
worry.
Kasif, Rosa would have been already on trade. She will tell after hitting TP.
Yeah, exactly. But you know what? Like, I'm also in a buy. Like, I also scalp 10, 20, 20 pips. 3371.50.
Hmm.
Can't go down a little bit more. So
Hmm.
let's wait. What happens? And I'm waiting selling on Nasdaq.
Anand, can you share daily trades for analysis? Share where? Like, I don't know. I'm not very much active on socials. I just decided to, uh, open my public profile like couple of days back. I'm planning to, like, Kasif is already very famous, so I just started. Probably in few days I can share it.
Instagram.
And then who advised you to
Oh,
public your profile?
like generally seeing you guys, I'm like I feel left out. Like I've been living, like I feel I'm living under a rock. So I just opened up my profile, put some like stories, and
Kashif, actually, I messaged him few days back. He was saying to me that I am not like don't have follower like you people. I tell him, bro, why the hell your account is private? How people will follow you? How people will see your story?
you
You
know
have a
what?
private profile.
Tradin TV has been trying to tag me for quite some time, and my account was private and it was locked. Like the
Oh,
tag was off, and today I have like disabled it, and they were able to tag me. So
nice. You
Guys,
did
one more
you did
thing.
a
This
good
kind this
profile.
kind of traders exist in the world. If you see making money in silent and not telling anyone on social media, this
Many,
kind of trader exists
yeah,
I,
like
only this only.
he said like his profile was private, but now like when you open it up, like you see
yeah,
$100,000 of payouts right in
no,
front of your face.
that is what I'm trying to tell you. It was just done 2 days
89K
back.
faking.
It is done in the history. It was done 2 days back. I just told you, my profile was completely private. Like I just opened it for like last 2 days. I started posting, try to be like at least see what I can do. Like
Anand, what I was thinking after having a conversation with you, just private account and working hard like Anand. He has like 89,000 faking overall payouts and nobody knows him. Like crazy. That's so
so
good.
I'll tell you a secret. Even my own family members, no one knows. Like I think now, I
That's the
think
good thing, bro. That's a good thing. No one is coming to you to to
no,
ask money.
that's a different story. But yeah, like I tend to keep it very private. But right now, I think that's not a option for me anymore.
Anand,
Yeah,
I'm curious to know, like, as a funded trader, 100,000 payouts, like, what have you done with that? Like, where you spend that?
poker.
Okay, I'll be very honest. Let me just show you. Can you guys see something behind me?
And not no, no, I'm not able to see. My eyes are
They
not
Sneakers.
able.
Oh,
Okay,
sneakers.
sneakers, sneakers.
sneakers.
Yeah, can you guys see a little bit there?
Oh my
Oh my
goodness.
god.
Oh
Holy.
my. That's
So,
going to be worth of I guess 10-20,000 dollars.
so sneakers. I love sneakers. I love watches. I like a very lavish lifestyle. So yeah. So that's
Without
where all.
telling anyone. Without telling anyone.
No, if you have the see, for some people it might be a different. For some people, I have met few traders. For them, building a house is the most valuable thing
Hmm.
in their life. So for me, it's never been that like because I honestly feel my perspective is if you buy a house, I'm stuck to that particular place forever. That's what my mind process all about. So it's the goal for me is not that. Uh, I always had the sneaker in mind, but right now I think I'm almost at a level where sneakers are like I'm not even wearing anything. I mean, wearing the sneakers.
Sleepers.
So, yeah, so
Just
that's where my
trophies,
yeah,
personal
that's where my
trophies.
money has gone. But right now, I might change my views. Probably um, a different aspect. I don't know what's next.
I think Rosa. Someone is saying I think Rosa is not billionaire. She is trillionaire. Oh my goodness.
Am
Rosa, is
I
it
still
you?
what? Let me read the comments. Am I a millionaire?
You are
No.
not the billionaire. She is trillionaire. My goodness. Send some bucks, Rosa, to the audience.
Yeah, I'll start doing things like that. And well, I can show you my watch. That's a pretty amazing watch. I think it cost like $15, something like that.
That was unexpected, man.
I thought Rosa is just gonna say 15,000. I was
Yeah, I was expecting
what
that.
was in my mind.
That's what I said. That no, it's actually $15. It's waterproof, and I have two little kids, and I'm not a big fashion person, or I'm very savvy, and that's the truth. So I don't spend that much money. I invested, and I buy a few things on my own. By my mobile in here, it's over 4 years old. It's 4 years old, so and it's good, still good. So I
That's
don't
the
need anything
simplicity.
else.
That's the simplicity. People have a wrong perception on trader that they have a lot of money. They spend money like this here and
No,
there.
Man, those are
That's,
not real traders.
yeah, bro. That's not a trader. You will see binary traders. Are a lot of traders are there who will look like that I'm spending money like this, but deep down they know that they all are broken. They all are just showing off on the social media.
it's debatable, but yeah, it depends on people's interest what they want.
Yeah.
I think Rosa, are you looking for buys?
Looks good.
It just hit a
Yes,
15 minutes OB. I think we can look for buy, but I don't like
I
this kind
am
of.
in a buy position. I don't really like the position, but I'm in.
Same.
Setup was there, so I'm in.
Yeah, I'm also in a buy. 3371.50.
Guys,
Three
what's
three
your stop
seven.
loss?
So
What's your stop loss, guys?
my
Below
stop
three.
loss is
Okay.
3370.1919.
Kashif, yours as well.
Same. Like
Okay,
right below
okay.
the 1 minute lows. 1 minute
Okay.
Mm.
structure lows.
My stop loss
Mm.
are very, very tight,
Yeah.
and it's only 0.25% of the account.
Oh,
So
Where are you guys
um,
target?
I don't have any target. There's some.
someone's phone's.
Someone
BlackRock.
Yep.
This is BlackRock calling like, hey, yo guys, like you are over leveraged on the buyer's position.
So I think I'm the only one buying gold right now. Well, other than Kashif.
I
Um,
really don't have confidence to buy right now. That's why I'm not buying.
no, I mean, honestly, it's not your style. Mine is because
Hmm.
it's only
Hmm.
0.25% of the account, and also it's
Yeah.
a very tight stop loss. So
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah, I totally
But
agree.
if you're not a scalper, there's no trade in here
Yeah.
for a
I don't know.
buy. It's a sell.
Okay.
Can I share my screen? Or maybe you just put the sticker on the chart. So, because, yeah, I think the sticker is already there. Can you zoom in a little?
An ant chart, you said?
Okay, sorry, I was muted.
Yeah, I'm saying zoom in, Anand, zoom in.
Oh,
We cannot understand what's happening on the charts. Just zoom in. Like we want to see the candles, the beautiful red and green candles.
Yeah.
and have you guys tried this? Like, so one of my friend, he has issues looking at green and red candles. The red candles gives him a lot of anxiety. So
Yeah,
have you
Hmm.
tried this? Like, you guys have the same? Like, have faced the same? No.
It's the same for me.
same for me. I use black
That
instead of red.
Okay. Okay.
white and blue.
Okay.
Green
Like,
and black.
I don't have personally any issues like with colors, but yeah, I just wanted to understand people have issues. But yeah, okay. I think where is
Um,
this? Have I kept my SL correct?
Yes.
Just below the structure. Okay, let's see.
Think it respecting, like even the last 1 minute candle respected the lows, and with the current candle it's going up. I just want to see it's breaking the highs, and I think now it's breaking the highs.
Okay. And TP, I think Rosa, where is your
There
TP?
you go.
I think
I
she
don't
might
have a
have.
TP, but anything above 15 points works for me. And I'll close it down probably at the high of the candle of the this um, bearish candle on the
Hmm.
left, the high of the wick. The moment it gets there, I'm out of the trade.
Same.
I think it's already 15 pips, Rosa. If you see the 1 minute, it's give
Okay.
337
Yeah,
1. Yeah.
yeah, kind of 15 pips. Yeah, 15 points. That's it.
You have to be very quick, like with the exits.
Yeah. Dream chases. Why you take trade? Reason? The reason is because it's my setup. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but long term, backtest, agreed on I have to take every single setup to be profitable. So that's what I do. I don't know if this is the setup that gives me 200 points without having a break. Since I don't know that, I have to take it. And it's only 0.25% of the account. So I have to have many bad setups just to break the account, just to close it down. So that's the reason. Everything's aligned to my strategy. That's it. And I haven't thought about anything else.
So,
Not even the. I mean, it's a short bias for long day traders or swing traders, but not for me. For me, it doesn't matter what the price is doing at the moment. I'll do whatever my strategy says. That's
Hmm.
that's that's it.
You
I
know
think,
the
Rosa, your TP would have hit, right?
15 minute, like it seems like a order block formation on the 15 minute. Check the 15 minute, Anand. Yeah, just see if
Hmm.
it looks like an order block formation,
I mean,
and
it has to,
yeah,
how, I think after 1 minute we can confirm.
yeah.
Kashif, we cannot ignore the consolidation, I guess. We have a 15-minute order block, but if you see 15-minute wholesome move is like consolidation.
Hmm. It's a
Hmm.
quick, exactly, but it's a quick scalp. Like
Yeah,
it's already running in.
50% above
Yeah,
the
it's
entry
already
point.
in 20 pips for me.
Guys, if someone is taking entry on behalf of 15-minute time frame, do not target a bigger take profit that because we are in consolidation. So make sure adjust your stop loss and take profit.
It should go up. There's an anchoring point at 3374.41. It
Three
should go
three.
up until this point, 3374.41. So I'm
Yep.
closing the trade right below this level. For now, I'm in the trades.
3 minute candles is looking so weak. Let's see,
No,
guys.
15 minute is giving a weak
Yeah,
bullish
there's
closure.
yeah, that's a concern.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's the concern. Like it's a weak bullish closure.
5 minute
Yep.
as well. If you see, it has not closed above the previous 5 minute candle.
Yeah. Yep.
You will see a correction, I guess, from this 1 minute.
There you go.
It's falling. Let's see.
There you go. There you go.
I think Kash is break even now.
Yep.
Oh, that's good.
Rosa, you exited your trade?
No, no, no. I mean,
Still in. Still in. Stop loss is below. Set and forget.
yep,
No, that
yep.
is Rosa is not set and forget. Like she usually exits.
Yeah, I don't move the stop loss. So the only thing is I manage the TP, but the stop loss is there. So
Okay.
Oh, now it's going up back again. Like the 5 minute is flipping bullish. 15 minute is flipping bullish.
3374.41. It has
Oh,
to
Yeah.
hit it. Come
If
on,
if it
God.
if it breaks the 15 minute highs, the 5 minute highs, that would be good.
okay.
Come on, just bump.
Guys, let's do some black magic. Like this.
Have you guys ever done this? Like take a trade and pray, like TP TP
I
TP.
did in my early days when I
In
was
early days,
when I
yeah.
was 18, when I was 18 or 19. I used to do God please. I used to read Rani Sharif, please give me this fake profit and market don't give a fuck on this.
Hmm.
Literally, God have mercy on you, but market don't, bro.
Market is brutal, but it's nice. Even like, you have to show up every single day, even if it says SL or something.
Some are saying, guys, distribution. Yeah, I think we have a distribution downside. Let's see, boys.
Hard
Like,
work and consistency.
do you guys follow AMD here? Like anyone?
I follow Anand so many times that I always enter when I see some manipulation.
Man, gold just tricked.
Hmm.
Yeah,
It's
Okay.
10 minutes to the US Open session. So
it's going
um,
to give a huge wig, I guess, if you have 13 minutes left for NY Open.
So, I mean, pre-NY new volume is there. I think we have 30 more minutes. No, not 30 minutes, 40 minutes for New York Open, if I'm correct.
Mm,
No,
no,
no, no,
no.
30
no,
minutes
no.
It's
only.
opening
30
in
minutes.
13 minutes. New York
Oh,
Stock
13.
Exchange.
3-0, not 1-3, right?
Yeah,
No, no,
1
1-3.
3, 1
It's
3.
1-3.
One. Okay, got it. Yeah, 7 o'clock.
What you guys buy here? Guys, Umesh, guys already we explained that why Kashif and Rosa entered into it. So you may check out the previous 5 10 minutes.
Great.
It's the 15-minute demand zone and 1 minute rejections.
Mm-hmm. I don't like this push.
Uh, Kashabhai, are you in any trade right now on gold? Yes, I'm in a buy with the stop loss below this 1 minute structure, but it's a very low risk, and I'm already at break even. So at this point, like I don't know if you want to give it a try, up to you. But the momentum, like it's really bearish, but it's holding. The good thing, it's holding. So if it breaks above, like it should push towards this anchor point 3374. And also, like do not forget, like we have NYSE open in 11 minutes from now, so there could be volume playing it either direction. Be safe.
Hmm. And also, there is no news today, like
Yeah.
no red news. So
Yeah, yeah. There is no.
it will like you can say a consolidative day for
So,
from
do you guys? Where do you guys see your red news generally? Which
a
forex
forex
factory?
factory, obvious. Yeah.
But how do you determine that red news is not allowed during funding pips trading hours? Like, do you guys visit the funding pips website itself, or
No, no, I see only Forex Factory, and I think it's same. Like if you see the Funding Pips dashboard, it's Forex Factory's data showing on
Yes.
Funding Pips as well.
okay.
But I guess you're allowed to trade
News.
news on phase one and phase two.
No, no, I think it's allowed on master account as well.
No, no, but no, it's not like the restrictions are basically 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after you can't place a trade during news. But evaluation, you don't have that.
Let me
Restriction.
check. Let me check. Sorry.
Yeah.
Is it 5 minutes? I thought it was 10. I always forget, to be honest.
Like I think total is 10, 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. I will recheck again, but I'm not sure. First, it was around 2 minutes, I guess. The very first when I started trading, 2 or 3 minutes. But now it's moved to 5 minutes. And for swing traders, for an example, if they are holding a trade 5 hours before, they can close the trade
Hmm.
during. So that
During
is,
the
yeah.
yeah, like if you opened a trade 5 hours before the news event,
And
then when the news releases, like you don't have that window 5 minute before and
yeah,
5 minute after.
if
You
it,
can
it
close trade,
if it hits your TP during that window, it will be considered as profit.
considered valid because you opened it 5 hours before the news.
Yeah. But if you open just two
Oh,
minutes,
okay.
if it hits TP, it won't be considered. It will be like taken back. The money will be taken back. But I think the account will not get breached, right? It will be still active.
It
Only
will
the
deduct only the red founder profit, the
yeah.
Yeah.
volatile, I guess volatile profit.
If it's a loss,
Violet,
it's a loss.
sorry. Yeah.
Hmm.
I think you're going down on gold on 1 minute.
This is, I
5 minute is also looking bearish.
Man, look at the amount of rejections we are having on this 1 minute. Crazy. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six
think
1 minute candles rejection. This
what is happening on 15 minutes?
US Open is very close to where we're trading to our levels, but still,
Yeah,
my strategy is giving me that level I gave you. So 3374.41. Still, I mean, at this very moment, it's still saying me it's gonna hit it. Maybe it hits my stop loss because of the US Open, but this level is still on my charts. As a point, it has to be touched in the in a time frame of in a 30 minutes time frame.
I guess if the current 1 minute candle close the previous 1 minute, it will be like a low, higher low of previous swing. So it will give you guys take profit on daily time. As we have 8 minutes left for NY, so it's probably can flip a bullish candle and then turn into bearish.
I think it's gonna go down, guys. Like, I don't like this structure.
Yeah,
15 minute
looks
is
like.
concern, main concern that we do not have a good closing on 15
Let's
minute.
look bearish for me, but let's see. 5 minutes.
Yeah, gone.
It's gonna go down.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's looking bearish, and it's US Open. It's nearly there. It's 7 minutes away. So,
Oh no, there is a poop.
but still, I mean, match is
Kashif,
still open.
what happening, Kashif? Why are silent? Don't worry, bro. It
I'm
will
just
turn. Kashif is doing black magic, bro. You
it's
don't know
it's
Kashif.
it's neither taking out the stop loss,
Yeah,
neither going up. Like
This is a very like this is
I I really hate these type of trades. Like that exhaust.
it's testing the patience of, I guess,
Yeah.
Kashif and Rosa. And neither it's taking out the stop loss or nor it's giving take profit. It's just playing around here and there, boys.
Yeah, to be honest, this kind of trades are mental capital draining. So
Yeah,
it's like I don't like them because my TP is there and my stop loss is there, but it's like up and down, and it's just draining my mental capital. So I usually don't trade anything else after trades like that
guys,
because I'm
don't worry.
exhausted.
It's
Someone
gonna
said it will go up for sure. That's for sure. The thing is when timing is
I know when just after taking out this.
sure.
That's what market do all the time. You will get liquidated or
we
push.
we are 6 minutes.
Another concern is that the previous 1 minute bullish candle has no wick, so it will fill out wick and let's see.
Just
Concern is
wait 6 minutes for New York Stock Exchange open, and you're gonna see.
the black magic.
How my level is reached. I'm telling you. No, level has to be reached, as I said, maybe not 30 minutes already, like in a time frame of 25, 27 minutes, since I said it the first time. and still valid. It's still valid, this level. So let's wait.
Oh my god, how it slipped to bullish.
Mario says, how can we identify between liquidity sweep and break of structure? So break of structure is when the candle closes above the previous swing point, a body closes above, and liquidity sweep when price action goes above a swing point, but the candle closes back below that swing with a wick rejection. Simple.
4 minutes left.
Okay, I like these candles. Four
We're
more
always
minutes.
ready to take some money, Akash. So yes, we are ready for the price to go up, to hit my level, and then go down.
Oh my god. I don't give a fuck what happened after my take profit.
Oh, what is
It's
BTC doing, by the way?
BTC
Going down.
is going down.
How much is the spread on Bitcoin or similar?
$50,
I
30 to
never,
$50.
I never traded I never traded prop from BTC like in
Yeah.
funding.
Um, yes, this trade is real. Private mindset. I'm on a real trade, and I think Kashif is as well. So,
Yeah, I
and
mean,
if
and
it's a losing trade, I'll tell you. I mean, that's not a problem at all.
Okay,
it's
there is a
going.
question. From your experience, what is the realistic average monthly payout a consistently profitable trader can expect to earn on a 100K funded account, considering perform rules and risk management? Okay, I think there is no cap for you to earn if your strategy is pretty much good and you are quite confident. So for me, it's a different story. Like I have taken bigger payouts, but now I have moved to consistent payouts, which I really like and enjoy. Um, so it totally brings down to your strategies. My strategy win rate was around 80. Right now, I'm hovering around somewhere around 75. So, and also the emotional psychology will be entirely different when you're trading from your own profits. So some people don't have that. I still deal with it. So whenever I'm in profit, if I'm making a trade, I tend to go wrong most of the times. So these days I make 3-4%. I try to lock in, place a withdrawal. But there are traders who go for like 10-12%. So that's totally according to their confidence and strategy. So averaging out on 100K on bi-weekly payout, probably with 2%, probably $4,000 would be a good like payout is what I
Mm.
feel. What do you think, Kasif?
2 to 3% is realistic because like the objective is to keep the funded account. Treat your funded accounts as rentals. Just keep extracting the rent.
Yeah.
If you will try to put pressure on it, expecting like you can make 8%, then you have similar chances of losing your funded account.
There
So
are traders who
just
target 10% and they try to go for 10%, but after they reach 8% and they lose 2%, their psychology will go get messed up a
yep.
lot because that real money, what they have built up in their mind, that will like mess them up and they go on a rampage. Like if they're able to master that, then well and good. I'm not in that level yet, but I would like to be in that level at some point.
Yep.
Anand, are you providing mentoring support, like private mentorship? Not currently, not to the public. Like, Anand, what's your strategy, bro? My strategy mostly is like basically order blocks, price, liquidity sweeps, and sessions. This is our best trade sharing website. I don't know what it means. Do we have a website to share our trades?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't use.
All right, there you go. We
Okay,
have
it's
it's
moving.
it's it's right like 1 minute before NYSE open, and
Mm,
bingo,
big
three
open.
three seven four. I hope it just pushes up with the momentum.
Okay, let's see. Risk per trade, Anand, 1% on live
TP
already.
hit.
TP hit, order
TP
Let's
filled,
hit.
go, boys.
1 point away from the level I gave.
order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah.
A hundred lots order filled. No, no. But
Kashif, is
okay,
it closed?
now it's hitting the level. Now it's hitting the
I'm
level. Now it's going down,
I'm
guys.
closing half.
Okay,
You
are
are
you still
holding.
holding? Are you still holding, right?
No, I'm closing half.
Okay, okay.
It's a good profit.
It is.
Profit is.
Thanks, Rosa.
You're welcome. Another coffee. I'm
I,
gonna be addicted just because I'm giving you nice trades. So no, I have to change that.
Patience pays
Holy.
today. Patience
Look
pays
at
today.
this. Look at this trade. That is why you should always have belief in your analysis. Everyone is saying a stop loss. Man, set and forget.
yeah, that's true. Like a lot of people tend to close here. Like as soon as they see a downside week, they'll just exit the trade. And what tilts you more is after exiting the trade, if it goes to TP, then you'll like feel
Let's
that.
give a different confidence.
Yeah.
Let's give a different confidence. Patience pays today, basically.
Hmm. So okay, let me answer this. Risk per trade, Anand. So live always 1%. I stick to 1% most of the time. And challenge phase 2%, 2.5%, like depending on the plan of the account. Okay, I think gold will. Oh wow, that's actually a good trade. 50, 60 pips.
Nice, nice. Man,
Good, right?
Yeah,
great.
good.
It's a 60 pip, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's why I said before, for people saying it's a bearish market for gold today, it is. But in a very short time,
You can.
you never know. I mean, that's why I put the trades I put, because I never know if this trade is giving me 15 points or 20 or 40 or 60 points. So since it's my setup, I have to follow it up, because even in a bearish market, there's always at some point the price have to breathe, as I say, and then maybe it will keep going down, but you never know. Maybe it reverses and it
Hmm.
doesn't go down anymore on that day, on today. So it's important just to follow your strategy. Says buy, you buy. The
Man,
moment you come into play is when your inner voices are preventing you from being successful, because you think and your strategy doesn't think, and it's been designed to be profitable. So now I feel it goes down, says Akash. I don't, no idea. No setup for me, so no idea.
we are done now. Like this is a
Yeah,
beautiful 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 4. What else you need, man?
that's it. So I won't trade anything else today. It's enough.
Okay.
Excelente estos.
Estos trades.
Yeah.
Muy bien.
Hmm. So it's a very
As
short.
long as anyone makes me learn in not Hindi but the other 20 languages that there's in India, I'm fine
I
with
can teach you.
learning a few
I
words.
can actually teach you four languages. I can speak Malayalam, Tamil, English, Hindi, and Kannada. I can understand, but I can't speak. So basically, four languages I can speak well. Fifth language I'm still learning.
Which language you're learning, Anand?
Kannada I can understand. Like I can understand whatever speak. Like when I try to speak, I make a lot of mistakes.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, that's pumping. That's cool. Oh, Bitcoin
Yes,
also.
it's going
Oh,
up.
Bitcoin also pushed up.
Yeah.
Pushing up.
Oh. Hmm. They all give movement after NY open, right?
Yeah, yeah. New York volume has come.
Hmm.
Este es buen negocio.
What's the mean of this, Mr. Kashif?
We have a lot of Spanish audience.
Okay. I think it's from.
Yes, we have.
Yeah.
Like just like Asian countries, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. There's a lot of Spanish traders. Too
Oh.
much. It's a big community.
And there's many fantastic and amazing traders here, to be honest.
Yeah.
And most of them showing live trading for free and
Hmm.
all their setups for free. And I'm not saying just myself, but many others even better than me. It's a nice community,
Hmm.
and it's growing up very fast.
We have Samuel as well. Samuel.
Yep, Samuel.
Where is your native place?
Anand, can you increase this risk to reward ratio? Like I just want to see like how much RR is this? One to
Nice to
five.
buy. Going.
Imagine 1% risk on this trade, and you are
Yeah,
locked in on a 5% payout.
Yeah, $1,000 risk. You are getting $5,000.
Who said trading is difficult? Join Trading TV live sessions every single day. Trading made easy.
nice. And
And we gave the signal, so
so
Direct call
Nasdaq,
out.
an analysis on Nasdaq 100. I think Rosa trade Nasdaq, but I don't think that she's going to trade today anymore.
no, I'm not going to trade Nasdaq. I'm just waiting for S&P if there's something for me in it. I'm not sure I'm going to trade it, but Nasdaq's impossible now. I don't trust this movement, and my strategy says so. So I have to wait.
Okay,
Hmm.
cool. Kasif, are you still holding the trade or you exited?
Still holding half of my position.
Okay.
Can't you tell from the smile on my face?
I was noticing this. I was noticing this.
I could have taken on my life, but I've made up my mind to lock it for the payout, so I'm not entering any trades there.
Hmm.
It's nice. Anand, how much you like? What percentage you lock in your payouts? Like
Usually around three.
three
Anything about
percent.
yeah, on 100K, probably 2%. I'll just stop. I don't generally trade.
And you use bi-weekly payouts on funding pips or
Uh,
every Tuesday?
yeah, bi-weekly payout. I think every Tuesday is only on the first step. I personally prefer two-step accounts.
Yep,
One
same.
step.
That's so good. Even we have good, more daily drawdown and oral drawdown.
Hmm. What a beautiful trade it was.
I think
Yeah.
it's aggressively exploding.
Hmm.
Actually, it's a zero draw, like very minimal risk trade. Actually, very good trade.
But that's why I work with percentage and not lots. Some people ask how many lots anyway. It's important not to trade with lots because it's regardless of you having 15 points or 40 points, it's always 0.25% of the account.
Hmm.
So you risk nothing. You have so many chances to get a nice trade like this one.
Mm.
So it's
Personally, use. Anand, can you let me share my screen?
Sorry. Yes.
Yep. So personally, like I use this position size calculator. So, for example, let's say like you start with $100,000 challenge account, and you wanted to take, let's say, 0.30% risk on this position. We had a stop loss of like 15 pips. So when you calculate, like it's going to tell you the lot size. Let's say if you want to take 0.2% risk, see, it will tell you the lot size. So we only look at the percentage risk.
hmm,
Like I
So if
think
you
one.
want,
So this will be helpful if you are changing your asset regularly. For me, gold is like literally like embedded into the position. Like any position I take, I like if I knew how much profit I'll make, how much loss I can make. Like been trading for quite some time, so gold is like almost the lot sizes multiplier is like what do you say? You
Yeah,
even learn.
I also used to for it that I calculate in my mind that if I have to take $500 risk with 2.5 lots, it's going to be 20 pips stop loss for 500.
How many accounts have you blown? Lot. I can't even count.
Same here.
I can count, but yeah, but I don't.
you You can't count mine. Not thousands, but yeah, quite a lot. And that's how the system works in prop firms, I think. It doesn't matter how many accounts have you blown, but also how much money do you take from the accounts you get a payout. It's a ROI key point I pay attention to. So I usually blow as an average like 3 accounts before I have a payout, making up for all the losses plus benefits plus profits. So it's 1 to 3. My statistics are one
What
to
is the
three.
maximum streak you guys have gone like on a payout run, like on a single account?
6.
I Okay, I think I beat that.
Nice.
Mine was okay. I think I remember this account, which was very favorite to me. I think I completed 8 streaks like continuous. My account was scaled up to 120, or like completely. I still remember it was a trade on GBP USD. I placed the trade, kept the SL properly. I risked only 2.5%. I had a meeting. I just went inside a meeting. There was a news. I completely missed that on GBP USD. I came back. Account is gone. I still had $14,000 left for that particular. No, I think yeah, $12,000 drawdown still left, but my account was breached because of the news. It didn't respect the SL completely. Then I made sure I'm never trading news, no trades whatsoever. It won't be running during the news. So I completely put in that rule for my trades.
Nice. Nice.
10, 10, 9's mine. So
I think
And then
we have 3-minute candle closure. In 3 minutes, we will have 15-minute candle closure. I don't know what's it's gonna do now. Might just break up.
Kashif, you're holding that
Very
long.
small position, like 20% position left. It's a very small
I
position
think
now.
it's how much pips? 50 pips
Yeah.
from your entry point. Oh,
Like I've secured 90% of my position, just a little bit lot running for me to see like if it breaks above this, because I'm expecting like if it breaks above this, we already had a lot of rejections before,
hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, so it's kind of like constrained right now, so might just you
That
know
would be a breakout as well. Like if you see
yeah,
break and retest.
I don't know, maybe Trump is sleeping right now, he wakes up and he says China, and we say boom, whoa.
could be.
Someone is saying sell might set up on gold. Even low and medium impact news cannot be traded in funding this news. I'm not sure, guys. About someone is asking. Even low and medium impact news cannot be traded in funding pips new rules. If anyone knows, guys, please answer this guy.
I don't know.
Even I don't know. I'll confirm, then I'll tell you, bro. If you're from my community analysis on that.
baby pips for sure. What is baby pips? I learned my basics from baby pips, by the way.
Same here, bro. Same here. I learned
Mm.
pips. Even I learned about pips. What is pips? I learned from baby pips. That's
I think that
very
website is
basic
there
knowledge.
from 2013. My God.
Like you learn in 2013 from baby pips itself.
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
Okay, but means that website is so old. I
Let me
learned
check. Baby.
I learned every single thing from baby pips.
uh Tafik, I saw your vlog.
Which
That
one?
was I don't know. You uploaded a vlog, like trading vlog. That was nice. Keep it up.
Thank you, bro.
It's really nice.
I just checked 2005 it was launched.
Okay, you are talking about baby pips, Anand?
Yeah, yeah.
That's quite old. And every basic things are there. Like you see, I learned these things in 2019 or 20.
Okay.
After that, I have not need to go anywhere. Like these things recovered all the basic thing in trading. Like you see, baby pips will teach you everything if you are like dedicated to learn. Cause it was so boring to reading everything on baby pips. So
Do funding pips make cap or max loss limit in each trades once we are in consistent huge profits? I don't think so.
no,
No,
no, no, no.
no,
Guys, should we wind up or we have to stay more here?
no. We have to like ask traders to comment.
Yeah, let's pick out some spicy questions.
Okay, guys, for the just a quick recap for the giveaway today. I think we are going to give away for 10K accounts, two-step pro accounts. So make sure you update your email um, your YouTube, so we can give them away. We'll say the names of the winners today, but then we'll give them away next week. But stay tuned.
So they have to comment on this video.
Stream
Yes,
after the yeah.
Okay.
comment and then subscribe. At least like the video.
Okay. I'll also let my community knows. 4 10Ks for the grab.
10K two step, right?
Antonio, how are you? I just gave a trade and you weren't there, Antonio. So you're not rich by now because you were having a siesta. Come on.
Gold is following too
Hmm.
aggressively. Ore, what's happening,
Oh
bro?
wow,
There was
wow,
no
what
news.
a drop.
Ooh.
Gold just dropped. I think there is a no. There is news at 7:30. It's
Mm,
orange.
No, at
what?
4 o'clock. There's something at 4 o'clock. Am I wrong?
Yeah, it is there, but it's just like medium impact news, not a high impact. So it
Oh,
just
it's high impact in investing. It's not on it's
Baby,
not on Forex Factory,
forex
but
factory.
hmm,
Yeah.
Forex Factory is low impact. Well, medium, but oh,
Anand Raja, what's the strategy, bro? He explained 99 times today.
Yeah.
He explained literally 99 times. Please watch the whole live stream, bro, if you wanna know about Anand Raja. Even I am going to watch Anand.
I don't think I will live stream a trade. I might. I don't know. You never know what is happening in the future.
Yeah.
yes, Antonio, you have to see the whole session again, not just maybe 40 minutes
This,
ago.
okay. I like this question. How do you learn to stay calm while trading higher lot size? I panic, bro. You're panicking. This main reason is because you're trading above your account size. For example, you have only
Hmm.
you can only afford $10,000 account. Probably you need 5 times more of that balance with you. If you have that balance and go for 100K, you'll be scared for sure. So try to like make sure you can like you are not fearful on the budget.
Yep, you're not over leveraged.
Yeah.
Someone is saying how to part in giveaway, bro. Once the stream end, you have to come on this live video and you have to comment, share, subscribe, whatever you will do, and you will picked by the funding plus team itself for the 10K
And
two-step pro
just
account.
to just to mention again, please put your funding pips email in your profile's bio on
Yeah.
YouTube profile's bio.
Okay.
Okay.
Rosa, who will decide? Winner will decide by funding plus team once you comment on the live video.
What's this comment?
I don't know that name. That guy name was Derwin Rohite was saying this. Key.
Oh, okay. Someone badly wants to give. I have a 10k account and took the gold trade Rosa gave with two lots. Two lots for a 10k account.
On pro account, correct? On two
That's
share pro
crazy.
account. Oh my god! I think
That's
but
crazy what you've done. Okay, it went okay, this trade, but okay, fine. But you should be angry at yourself to do that. That you've been over leveraged. So you've taken so much risk on this account. You can't use two lots. Two lots is at least it's 2, 3, or 4%. I don't know. Um, Risk. So it's too much risk for one trade. I say to 0.25%. So in a 10k account, it could be how many lots did I go in? Just bear with me a second. How many lots? Oh, it doesn't say. 1.1 on my 100k account. So 0.10 should be appropriate for your account size. Okay, you made 4%. Stop trading today and think about everything you've done wrong today. even with a nice result, that's the main point. Because that was too risky. There's nothing on the S&P 500. I can't trade anything. I might trade Nasdaq. A buy. Not sure.
Doesn't looks good. It's just bearish.
but the one day is bullish on Nasdaq.
I only see 1 minute, so.
Oh, I was muted. Shit. Okay.
No, I won't. No trade on Nasdaq. No trade on Nasdaq.
Yep.
Are you out of the trade, Kashif, already?
A small position still running. Like
Okay.
I've secured 90%. There's only
But
10%
why do you
running.
do that? Like generally, I never book partials, by the way.
Like I always there's a itch in trading. Like sometimes when you're not in a trade, you just want to be in a trade. So if I have a winner, I just leave a 10% run. So when I come to my MT5 and I see a trade is running, like, so I don't get in a stupid position. This is my way of
So I always book complete. Like
yeah.
I've never done partials. Like I'm thinking about it. Never done partials.
It's
It is
always
very
good.
difficult to me to do some partials. Sometimes I do partials, but I don't know how have you been holding this trade for so long? It's something it blows my mind. Like, wow.
What if this trade goes 20 pips away from Kashif entry and he'll be like, why I have cut my 90% positions? That's why I don't do partials, Is it happen with you, Kashif?
No, not really. But like I think like for high time frame swing trading, like it's a good practice to just leave a run and move your stop losses to break even, because that $1.50, like, it's not gonna make a change. But if it plays out, like, at least you get confidence, like, in your next setups to hold your winners.
Yeah, I hear this from Raja Bank as well. He told that if you want to get confidence, do rest, leave 10% of your position, let
Exactly.
it run, the way he want
Exactly.
to go.
Right.
It's 2 hours.
I think we're pretty much done for the day, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, that's okay. I was just recapping the questions, but I think we've answered at least.
What
I can't see
we
any
don't have
any new.
a consistency rule, right? In FundingPips, I have never came across any
Consistency score is there on which when you choose on demand payouts like that 90
Oh, the
95.
new one. I haven't choose that. Yeah.
I like pro account personally because it give you weekly payouts, and the profit target is only 6% as well as overall drawdown is 6%.
Okay.
Because this give you faster payouts.
Okay. I think I'm pretty.
Okay, so we're done. Remember, guys, to update your email if you want to have the chance to get a Tuesday Pro 10K account. Winners, I think winners will be announced at the end of the day, and the accounts will be given next week. So thanks all for being here today.
Thank you,
Yeah, thank you so much
Thank
everyone for
you.
coming
Talk to you
and
soon,
joining the
guys.
lesson.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.